Hello everyone, this is Harleen Man. Welcome to Digital Marketing Jobs Bulletin NCR. In today's video, we are going to discuss job openings for digital marketeers for NCR location Noida, Gurugram and New Delhi. Let's get started. Samrat Interiors Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive and they have posted this job opening 3 days ago. Viagrate Media is looking for digital marketing intern. Cherry E-commerce Services Private Limited is looking for SEO executive, digital marketing executive. Peer Visa Immigration Services Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive and this is for Delhi location. Jack Martin Tech Labs is looking for digital marketing executive and this is for Delhi location Kirti Nagar. WA Corp Hyundai India Limited is looking for digital marketing executive and the location is Noida and they have posted this requirement today. JP Franklin is looking for digital marketing specialist and they have posted this requirement 3 days ago and the location is Delhi and Mumbai. Alpine Modeler is looking for digital marketing executive for Delhi location. Optimizery Technologies is looking for digital marketing intern and this is for Delhi location. Newcal 360 Healthcare Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive and this is for Gurugram location. Optimizery Technologies is looking for digital marketing intern. Aster Technologies Private Limited is looking for digital marketing manager and this is for Delhi NCR region. Big Ben Language School is looking for digital marketing manager trainer and the location is Noida, sector 62. GCS Media is looking for digital marketing manager for Delhi location. Richmond Global School is looking for digital marketing manager and the location is Delhi NCR. Seven Consultancy is looking for digital marketer profile and location is Delhi. And they have posted this requirement just now. Acaro Consulting and Training is looking for digital marketing executive. Discover Matrix Private Limited is looking for digital marketing officer and the location is Delhi Lajpat Nagar. Primo Foods Private Limited is looking for digital marketing manager and they have posted this job opening 1 day ago and the location is Delhi NCR. Super Plastic Coats Private Limited is looking for digital marketing manager and the location is Delhi NCR Punjabi Bagh. Ship Rocket is looking for digital marketing head and location is Delhi and they have posted this job requirement just now. New West Staffing Solutions Private Limited is looking for digital marketing manager and location is Gurgaon and they have posted this requirement just now. Snap Hunt is looking for digital marketing manager for Delhi location. City Universe Private Limited is looking for AVP digital marketing for Gurugram location. Transmission Agency is looking for digital marketing manager for Gurugram location or Gurgaon location. Seven Consultancy is looking for digital marketing profile and this is for Delhi location. Infoviz Software Solutions is looking for digital marketing profile. They have not mentioned New Delhi. So let me click and know the job location. So you can see once we have clicked on this requirement, they have mentioned Gurugram also, Gurgaon also. So you can consider this job opening under NCR job openings. Novel Vox is looking for digital marketing specialist and this is for Delhi location. Talenzo Media Private Limited is looking for digital marketing, performance marketing profile for Gurugram location. Cart and You Retail Private Limited is looking for digital marketing intern for Facebook ads and this is for Delhi NCR. Apply Cup is looking for digital marketing interns and the location is Delhi. Energy Health Equipment Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive and this is for Delhi location Preetwar. Magma Services is looking for digital marketing profile senior manager and this is for Delhi location. Profile Excel Service Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive. ISBIZ Technologies Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive, and this is for Noida location. Talent Stack is looking for digital marketing manager, and this is for Delhi NCR. The Hiring Story is looking for digital marketing profile. Mancraft Consulting is looking for digital marketing and social media executive, and this job opening for Delhi and Noida location. Talpro is looking for digital marketing profile, and the job opening is for Delhi and Gurgaon location. Bodycare is looking for digital marketing executive, and the job location is Gurgaon. GMD Astrological Consultancy Services Private Limited is looking for digital marketing specialist, and this is for Delhi location. Pacific Data Integrators is looking for digital marketing specialist for New Delhi location. Stargate E-Learning Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive, and this job opening is for New Delhi. Rag 37 Innotech Private Limited is looking for digital marketing manager, and the job location is New Delhi. Please watch this video till the end. I will be sharing the list of companies in the comment section. Eashore Healthcare Private Limited is looking for e-commerce marketing manager. Then Scanova is looking for video marketeer. Great Lakes Institute of Management is looking for senior manager digital marketeer. Rent Expert is looking for digital marketing interns. BJAC is looking for digital marketing manager, and location is Gurgaon, Haryana. eShopBox is looking for content marketing profile, and the location is Gurugram. NC Media Networks is looking for content writer. DigiFind is looking for social media manager. Faster is looking for digital marketing specialist for Delhi location. NutraBay is looking for performance marketing specialist for Delhi location. You will be getting list of companies in comment section, and please apply to these companies if you find your profile is relevant to their job description. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.